Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Take Care Friends. I hope you all are doing fine friends. So this is parcel received from Mangalore. So let's check what is inside. For May 7th May 2025. Okay guys, so there is a problem. What is mentioned the problem? Mid amp low. Okay, next another one. 1 year before this was repaired, and another one is this also repaired before. Power not working. So this was also repaired before 1 year before in 2025 May. So let's check what's the issue in this. Just keep watching my video. This is a T8 module. Okay, digital vertical array T8 DVA technology. Okay guys, so let's check what's inside. What's the problem inside? So guys, we'll try to repair this first. Okay, so it is written mid amp low. Means there are three output in this: woofer, subwoofer, mid amp and highs. So out of three, mid amp is very low. This is the problem. So I think this has been repaired by me only last year. It's last year May 25th May. So let's this came again for repair after 1 year. Okay, so let's check what is the issue. So mid amp low means the sound is coming but it is low. So we'll put it on and check what is the problem again. So we'll put it on. So guys, we'll put it on now. Put it on. Power comes, so we'll do input signal. So we are doing the input signal. So now we'll check the outputs. This is subwoofer. Okay, this is mid. See, mid is very low. This is mid and this is high. This is highs. So mid is very low. So guys, mid is very low. So woofer also good. So this is mid very low. Highs. So this is the problem. Mid is very low. So now what we'll do? We'll open this one and we'll check step by step. Okay guys, just keep watching my video till end. So guys, we'll open this one. Okay, so we'll put it on again. Put it on. So on. Okay guys, when you see these lights, so our amplifier section is good. Okay, see guys, when you see these lights, this green light, okay, so our amplifier section is good. Okay, so we need to concentrate. So we need to concentrate on the input board. Okay, so there is no problem in the amplifier board. So we need to concentrate on the input board. So we'll work over here. So we'll take it out, this one, complete input board assembly. So we'll start working on that. So there is a preamp circuit is there. So we need to check that one. Okay. So there should be problem here inside of this one. Okay, this is the input board. So we need to check here inside. There are some ICs are there, op amplifier ICs are there here. Okay, we need to check here. Okay guys, so what we will do, we need to take it out this one. So there is a op amplifier IC is there, so we need to remove this one to check inside. So guys, I have already dismantled this one, so we need to remove this out. So I took it out this one. So now see, there are some electronic parts over here, so we need to check this one. And there is the IC, op amplifier IC 33078. Yeah, it's a 33078. So let's check the status. What is the status of all the electronic components? So we'll take some cold resistance ohmic test. Okay guys, so there are 4 diodes over here, so we'll check the diode. This is good, this is good, this is good, no shorting, good. Okay, so there are some resistors. This is 10 ohm resistor. Okay, 10 ohm resistor. So this is 2.1. okay, resistor, and there are 2 diode over here, so we'll check this diode. So it's good. It is showing some resistance, but it is connected to the resistors. 100 ohm resistor. So there is a 100 ohm resistor is there. Okay. So both are in. There are some. This is 100 ohm resistor. See, that's why it is showing 100 ohms. And this is 0 ohms. Okay. This is 0 ohms. So the electronic components here are good. So we'll check the IC. Is there any shorting in the IC? This is the op amplifier IC. This is positive, negative, plus and minus. So it's diode, nothing. So we'll check here. No shorting. So pin number 1 and 2, 3. So there is no any shorting. Okay, and here is pin number 5 and 6. So pin number 5 and 6 is showing some ohms. It should not supposed to show. This is pin number 7. So guys, I think pin number 5 and 6, it is showing some ohms. See, 420 ohms. See, so it should not supposed to show. So there is a leakage in IC. There is a slight leakage in IC. So that's why it is showing some ohms. See, 426 ohms. So I think this IC might have problem. Okay guys, this IC. So what we'll do guys, we'll replace this IC. This is 33078 op amplifier IC, op amp. So I suspecting pin number 5 and 6 is showing ohms. It should not supposed to show ohms. See. Okay, so we need to. I think there's a problem with the IC. So what we will do, we'll replace this IC with the new one. So we'll start this desoldering this IC. Guys, we have removed this IC, op amp IC. So this IC looks faulty, so we'll check once again between 5 and so this is confirm IC is faulty. See, so we need to replace this IC with the new one. So we'll clean this first. This is the faulty IC, so we'll replace new IC. This is the new IC 33078. Okay guys, so we'll solder it this one. Okay, so guys, we have replaced faulty op-amp IC. So because of this IC only, so our mid is not coming very clear. Okay, and it's coming very low. So now we'll fix it back everything. Okay, and we'll check what's the status. So we'll solder it everything and we'll fix it back. Okay guys, just keep watching my video till end. Okay, so guys, we have fixed it back everything. Okay, so we'll put it back and we'll check what is the status. So we'll put this one. So guys, we have fixed it up. Now it's time to check the status. So I'll put it on. I put it on. It comes with an signal. I give an input signal. So guys, it's working fine now. This is ice. This is mid. So now the buttons on this one. This is subwoofer. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.